What if, right now, gravity suddenly switched off for just 5 seconds? Sounds harmless, right? Wrong. Those 5 seconds would unleash the most terrifying chain reaction our planet has ever seen. Prepare yourself, because the moment gravity stops, even for a blink, everything changes. Second 1, every loose object on Earth, cars, phones, rocks, even oceans, begins to float. Oceans don't stay flat, they immediately surge upward into the sky like blue walls of liquid chaos. In cities, millions of objects start to lift off, street signs, garbage cans, paper, everything not bolted down. And then it gets worse. Second 2, humans are now weightless. People lose balance instantly, drifting upward in shock and panic. Airplanes fall out of their flight paths, drifting uncontrollably as engines scream into nothing. Second 3, the atmosphere itself begins to leave Earth. Oxygen, nitrogen, everything that keeps us alive drifts upward like a peeling layer of mist. The sky thins. Space becomes visible through the cracks. Houses crack. Rooftops break apart. Entire structures start weakening under the sudden shift. Second 4, without gravity, even Earth's tectonic plates begin to move. The crust relaxes and slips. Underground pressure explodes upward. Volcanoes erupt not downward, but straight into the sky. Lava sprays into the air like a molten fountain. Second 5, everything now drifts, not just upward, but away from Earth entirely. The atmosphere escapes. Oceans rise. Dust and debris spread outward into space. And then, gravity suddenly snaps back on. Everything that floated now plummets back to Earth, buildings, rocks, cars, entire oceans. The oceans crash back down with unimaginable force, as mega tsunami-level waves hit coastlines across the world. Cities are obliterated in seconds. A global pressure shockwave rips across the planet, flattening structures instantly. Satellites fall like burning meteors. Forests uproot and collapse. The Earth's crust buckles, triggering massive worldwide earthquakes. Power grids fail, and the entire world goes dark. So, could gravity really just turn off? No. Gravity isn't a switch. It's the fabric of space-time itself. For gravity to stop, space-time would need to collapse. The universe would break instantly. But if 5 seconds causes this, imagine if gravity changed for 1 full minute. Want to see that scenario? Comment part 2, and I'll make it. But before that, do like and share to watch interesting content.